Right, hi there. Been a little while. However, I've been building this. Now this is my CNC drilling machine. Excuse the worktop, is a temporary sacrificial piece of stuff, piece of wood, held on with clamps. You can see I built the X and Y axis underneath. The drill itself sits directly above those bearings, so the pressure is only on the bearings. Table itself moves 500mm left to right and about 200mm front to back. Using Mach 3, got my program in there. The program comes from the drawing, bear with me, comes from that drawing there. Oh, excuse the lights. Which is a bracket that has to be bent. Then I put it into sheet cam. Again, I haven't set sheet cam up probably, but I don't need to. That's as good as it needs to be. And then of course it's brought into Mach 3. And then Mach 3, still need to build a box for all of this, drives all of this business. So just bear in mind that it's not finished, but I've got to get a job out the door as fast as I can. And the job that's got to go out the door is not just these, all CNC drilled, but these, and this is only 1/3 of the job. So in my title I did say and things CNC. Well, here it is. I've had to manufacture the bracket there to make that work. Direct drive off a 5:1 geared motor. Again, excuse the coarseness of this, it really is been thrown together the best I can because I need to get stuff out in a hurry. I've had to butcher the drill, as you can see, to put in a deep neck. So put a deep neck in there. It all fits quite nicely, and it works brilliantly. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you it working. So we shall just go and, as ABE would say, contact. And here we go, and we can watch it drill a bit. The fixture's not great. I've got to hold it with my hands just to stop it from moving around too much. But you'll see that it cuts through quite nicely. Normally I'd squirt a little bit of oil on it, but I can't hold camera and squirt oil and hold fixture, so there you go. It doesn't need much holding, to be fair. It kind of holds itself, but because it is relatively accurate, believe it or not, for what it is. We just watch this whole plot through, and you can see there's all the business going on that end, and it moves next hole. Next hole. The hole should be 5.5mm from the edge of the steel, and it is, bear with me, it's 5.48, so that'll do me. And like I say, there's the whole pattern so far. Chips are a little bit on the straw brown side, but I want the head speed as fast as possible. I've got a lot of these to do. I've got good quality drills. So there we go. And that's just basically the machine going about its business. You can see, there you go, 220 and 10 is exactly where it should be. And it's drilling there's no peck on this. I know some people say, why are you not pecking and all that business, but you kind of don't need to. It's 3mm steel, as you can see. So it doesn't need to be anything super fancy. Emergency start button. So, just let it do its stuff. It'll go to the next hole. Whack that one out as well. Like I say, what I'll do is that this all needs to be broken down and powder coated and finished off properly. There's a few bits and pieces need doing. I've got limit home switches all set up. So I've got home switches set up there. Got a home switch set up in there somewhere. Oh, I can't see. But anyway, yeah, there's one there. There it is. It goes along at a bit of a lick as well, to be fair. So there we go. Boom. And that is the end of that cycle. And you can see, gone back to the start on Mach 3. So I thought I'd show you that, but what I'll do is that when I powder coat it, I'll break it all down and tidy everything up, make a box for the controls and all that kind of business. But I thought you might be interested in just seeing how it's sort of done. These Clarke metal workers are cheap enough really to hack around, and they seem to do the job. The only thing I would say is the belts tend to wear out quite quickly, but it is what it is. So hope you found this interesting. If you did, then please subscribe and like, and hit the old bell icon so that you'll be updated with further uploads that I may make. I do want to make better fixture setup, and the other thing I will do at some point is describe how all of this works, because it's not really that simple. Your 0, when you reference home, you need a fixture offset, and it took me hours to figure that out, and a lot of surfing the internet, and still couldn't really get a decent answer, but I have sussed it out. So in a future tutorial I'll just show you how to set all of that up. Anyway, like I say, if you like it, please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Cheers!